Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to install Next.js 14 on Windows 10 and 11, create demo Next.js app project, easy tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'll show you step by step how to install Next.js 14 on your Windows 10 or 11 machine and create your first demo Next.js app. So whether you're a beginner or looking to get started with Next.js, then you're onto the right place. Now, the first step that we need to do in here is to install Node.js. So you need to go ahead and open your browser first and go to the official Node.js website at nodejs.org. So you could also search next.js.org and you'll get redirected onto this page. So here, for us to be able to download this, just head here under Docs and then right after, click on Installation. So once you're already in here, we should be able to see in here the installation for that. So we could open this one out so that it should go ahead and run the installation for Node.js. So we're just gonna go ahead and download this first. The download is starting. So we'll just have to wait for this one to be done. So once that one is complete, just go ahead and download that, open the installer, accept the license agreement, click next to choose the default installation folder, and ensure the option to install npm is checked, and then click on install. So just follow in the prompts for that one. Now, right after the installation, you should be able to see a message just like this that it is completed. So just simply click on finish in there and we'll have to verify the installation by opening the command prompt of your device. So let's search in here, command prompt. Now, once we're in here, we need to verify the installation. We'll have to go ahead and type in this line. As you can see, this will show you the Node.js version. Then we'll have to check the npm. So just go ahead and type in this following line. Click on enter. And it should go ahead also and see that you're now ready for Next.js. Now, let's go ahead and create a new Next.js project. So since we're already here, onto the command prompt or PowerShell, we need to navigate to the folder where you want your Next.js project to be created. So for example, we want to have this on our desktop. So just type in desktop in there. So just make sure to add in cd so that it should go ahead and locate the specific location. Click on enter. And then right after, we need to run in this following command to create your Next.js project. So npx create dash next dash app at latest space my dash next dash app. So this my next app, you could go ahead and replace this with your desired project name. So for example, we're just gonna name this my app. Click on enter. And then if prompted, you'll just have to select the version for that and then press enter. So as you can see, we are prompted to install the following package to proceed. So we'll just have to click yes for that, since this setup will install all dependencies for us. So we'll have to wait for that one. And just go ahead and answer all of this and wait for this one to be done. Then after that, you should be able to see a message success that your app has been created already onto this specific location. So after installation, we'll just have to navigate to our project directory. So to do so, the same thing earlier, we're just gonna type in cd, and then this time, we're gonna go ahead and type in our file folder name, which is my app. Then right after, click on enter. And then we are now located inside it. It's time to go ahead and start the development server to see your app in action. So onto the terminal, we'll have to type this. So npm run dev. Click on enter. So this should go ahead and start the development server. So you should be able to see these things in here right after it starts the development server. So you'll just have to go ahead and go to this one, to HTTP localhost here, this one. So control click to open the link. And this should go ahead and open your local browser in there. And if that one is successful, you should be able to see the default Next.js welcome page. Congratulations, your Next.js 14 app is alive. Now to go ahead and customize the project, we'll just head on to our Visual Studio Code. In here, we're going to go ahead and open the project folder of our sample app. So simply click on open folder in here and just click onto the folder that we have created earlier. So that one is located here on my desktop. We have here my app and then just select that folder. So just click on to trust the others in there to proceed. Now, once you have opened the folder, head here onto the left side. You should be able to see the subfolders onto that main folder that you have. So under my app, just find app in there. Click onto this drop down arrow to go ahead and expand this and click onto this one, page TSX. So you should be able to see all of the code in here that we have seen all onto the web page that has opened earlier onto the browser. So we're going to go ahead and try to change this. So we're just going to go ahead and opt to a simple text like this, just saying hello world. So right after this, so we'll fix the error first. So I've fixed the code in here to remove the errors. So we've added more style as well for the text, and then just simply click on to save in there to go ahead and automatically process the changes that we did. So since we've not closed out the browser window earlier, it will automatically refresh in here once you've saved the changes. So let's open the browser earlier. And as you can see, it is showing the hello world. That's it. You've successfully installed Next.js 14 and created your first demo app. So from here, you can start building amazing projects with React and Next.js. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.